This could be Beirut from the 70s.
This is your food?
If you look at Haiti the day after the earthquake and today, there's no difference.
Première question, je me poser parce que je connais la Croix-Rouge. Surtout pour la Croix-Rouge américaine, ils ont une force comme dans mais côté que pour venir des peuples avec des miniers qui victimes avec ces islam. Et me la Croix-Rouge pas jamais fait aucune intervention là.
I can tell you that most of the money did not leave the United States.
Now, people are very poor, but they're not stupid. They are very, very aware of the fact that the money was raised with their suffering and with their poverty, and it's not being spent on them.
All the people I know who gave money to Haiti, that is not what we thought would be the situation. I still question where the money went. I'll tell you one thing, it didn't go there.